Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 3rd, 2011. The start of a new year, and the grain markets look like they're going to start out on a strong note. We had overnight session down at the beginning of the overnight session here, and then as the day progressed, or the evening progressed, the market strengthened. We had a sharp rally in wheat prices about 7 o'clock here this morning. We had a whole volume of 300, and then within the next minute, we jumped that volume up to around 1,800. So somebody come in, bought a big load of wheat, took the wheat sharply higher through the 811 area in the March contract, and ran it all the way up to 825, and then since has settled back to where we're about 20 higher on the day. But it looks like the funds have done some buying. Although the volume overnight was very light in corn and soybeans, however, because of the wheat strength, we did see some recovery in the corn, and the corn at the end of the electronic session here traded 3 to 4 higher, soybeans anywhere from 1 to 4 higher. Some of the news, we've got Argentina weather has been a big factor and continues to be a concern. We did see some forecast change there where they did add some moisture into that South American forecast, where Argentina dry areas have got now an increased chance of moisture here this next 7 to 10 days. So that actually should weigh on the market a little bit, but the traders again focused totally on what the funds are going to do here at the beginning of the year. China Dalian exchange was closed on Monday, so we won't get any news out of there until late this evening when they reopen. The other news that we've got to monitor here is the dollar and the euro currency. We are seeing the dollar down sharply here this morning, while we got crude oil higher and gold slightly lower as we speak. Stock market, however, and stock indexes are sharply higher. So a lot of uncertainty here this morning. Traders are trying to get a handle on which way this market's going here today. Markets are overbought coming into this time frame. Just a recap and give you an idea how much change we've had here from one year to the next. Corn market up $2.15 from the end of 2009. Soybeans up 354, wheat up 253. So we've seen a huge rally in 2010. So a very good year there for prices. Are we going to continue? It looks like we're going to start this year out on definitely a firm note. Weather concerns here in the U.S. still a factor. The U.S. Southern Plains got some moisture from producers that we were talking to this morning up in Kansas, got some snow, but still very dry in this hard red wheat area, and that could be supportive to the wheat complex. In the livestock trade, the USDA was closed on Friday, so we don't have any updates on cutout values. Chart-wise, we closed the market strong on Friday as well in the cattle and the hogs. The cattle for the year was up $22.35, and hogs $14.15 higher from December 31st, 2009 to December 31st, 2010. So very strong agricultural markets. The early call there was anticipated that we might see a steady lower opening due to some profit taking after the new year. These openings are definitely going to be affected by outside markets and where this dollar is and where the stock market is, and how that will affect or impact the trader's attitude going into the opening of the livestock. So look forward to a very exciting year here in 2011. And Allendale will be here to help you and answer any questions you might have. So give us a call here at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day and a successful trading year, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.